Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to only a few minute video. So this video is just I can't even speak, can't even say it. This is a blooper. This is meant to be for bloopers. It's cut, start again. Morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, welcome back to a very short video. Today is just a little video on a few bloopers that I have kept from various videos throughout the year and possibly going back a little bit further. Just a few, it's only a few minutes long. There is some bad language in it, I warn you now. It's got an not X rating, but you know what I mean, PG. It's got PG rating. So sit back, have a laugh at some of my mishaps. As I say, only a few minutes long, but it might keep you entertained for a few minutes. Yeah, see what you think. Action. No, not action. Right. Let's just make sure I'm in the frame. Action. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Live Oven. There. Start again. Cut. Action. Breathe in. Cut. Do it again. This will go in the outtakes. Action. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to the next day on Project. I forgot what she's called. Start again. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love. I want this fucking bloke to stop with his hedge cutting. So luckily, as it's just started to speckle with rain, hopefully I can do everything inside the car. I'm going to sneeze. Oh! Action. Sorry about that. I had to pause you because I did a massive sneeze. You haven't done Someone's come in. Action. Morning. Welcome back to Project Keris. What is a project? Like an Eastern European? Cut. Okay, where was I? Yeah, sorry about that. Battery ran out. So yeah, as I say, that was the main thing to get done, and I can then drive it. So obviously the tracking will need doing. That would no doubt be out. So that'll be something that'd be another 40 quid I have to spend. It's just it's mounting up, unfortunately, and we're going to be. I don't know how much over budget, but I would suggest we're probably. Excuse me. I don't know how much over budget we're going to be. Sorry, I just farted. I don't know how much over budget we're going to be. But it's going to be over budget. Action. Morning. Someone over the road. Cut. So, as you know, I put these things in here just to keep the rain off, and it has rained. As you can see, there's a little bit of water there, all over me now. I've got to take this off because it's got a broken tab as well. So I'm going to take the bumper off anyway. But as we... Oh, Jesus Christ. Good job my head wasn't under that then. Maybe I didn't put it up properly. It actually closed. Let me try that again. That should go in my bloopers file really, shouldn't it? Action. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to Project Peter. Today is the last day. This is not filmed on the day of the MOT, but we are getting the MOT done in this video, and this will hopefully, possibly, be the last video on the project. There might be one more. We'll see. But first of all, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to attempt to repair the damage on this bonnet. I've already straightened it. I need to rub it all down, fill it where necessary, get it painted. We'll see what we can do today, at least get it in filler today if we can. Let's do it. Let's see what we can get done. Let's do it. Oh, fuck. Start again. Action. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Life Affair. That's one for the bloopers. Start again. Right, that's the back panel off. And there's the lovely, stupid, horrible, rotten Blue and Me unit. The bane of my life, those things. In fact, the bane of the life of anyone who's got or has worked on a Fiat 500. Now, something I always do now, which I never used to do, and I've shown you this before. It's too dark in there. Let me get a torch. Oh, fuck. Right, this is the beginning of Millie Day 3. Action. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to Day 3 on Project Millie. We've got quite a lot to do on this, so we need to get on with it. And yeah, cut that. That was one of my neighbours. Probably wonders what I'm doing. Who would have thought it, eh? So, this is the old one, as you can see. Let me just show you on the one that's got all of the fins. So on that one, we have, as you can see, the... Oh, no. Oh, hang on. Oh, forget that. Yeah, I'm talking bollocks. Cut. Action. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to a how-to series. Today we are going to show you how on a 1.2 petrol engine you change a... I've forgotten what it is. Cut. Right, so what greets us in here is yet more forensic dust everywhere. That looks like that has been rained on at some point. And then if we pan around to the car, inside the car itself, we can see that the forensic dust is absolutely everywhere. They've really gone to town on it. It's all over the place. Absolutely all over the place. Not on that side so much, apart from on that door there. But obviously all over the steering. Yeah, everywhere. I don't know if you noticed it yet, the difference in this car, which is something that I've never had before. Oh shit, I just hit my head. Ouch, that hurt. Start again. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to, I suppose, a sort of a how-to video and a review of a product that I have bought. And the thumbnail may have given you a clue. This is how to produce a spare key. Specifically in this video on a Fiat 500, I'm assuming you can use this bit of kit for other cars as well. It won't do a remote key, but what it will do... Oh, dropped it on the floor, cut. So I'm going to do it again. So this is how you take off a Fiat 500 rear there to there. So this is how you take off a Fiat 500 rear. I'm in the right place? No, up there. This is how you take off a Fiat 500 rear. Oh, it wasn't even on, for fuck's sake. Oh no, I've just fucking broken it. So that was it. Only a few. It's bad language there, sorry about that. Merry Christmas. What can I say? I hope you've had a great Christmas. This will go out after Christmas, I think. But yeah, I hope you've had a great Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year. We'll have some more videos next week. Thanks for watching, as always. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.